Hi, my name is Nicole, also known as Nikki Kelly. I'm the owner of MACAPPS and the creator of MemberApp. I wanted to introduce myself so you could see firsthand that this application was created by someone who knows and understands the membership and subscription business model. I myself have a membership and I was looking for something to help my members view my content not only at home at a desk or on a laptop, but easily accessed on their mobile. They needed to access images, checklists, etc., and send me images of products whilst on the road. So I needed to find a way to help them and my membership grow, but most importantly, nurture my members. So I created MemberApp. When MemberApp was created, I wanted to make sure that other businesses could grow and take the opportunity to take charge of the industry and give their members a membership platform made for them, their lifestyle. So whilst looking after the members, I also wanted to make sure that the businesses were looked after also. So MemberApp gives you the ability to brand the app upon entry and use your own signature colors throughout the app. You lay out your content, you lay out your features as you need, fit for your members. MemberApp provides you with features to help keep your members engaged, like chat, notifications, even a social wall for your community, all in one location on MemberApp. So, if you're looking to grow your membership or even begin a new one or offer members something that helps your business grow and your members' minds grow, then register your interest now and be one of the first to gain access to MemberApp when it launches. We're not far from the finish line, so don't miss out on being a part of the journey and making your efforts effortless. Thank you again for listening, and I do hope to see your business grow further with MemberApp. Take care.